In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning AI-generated images using chat.openai.com. This tutorial will guide you through the process from start to finish, making it easy for anyone to bring their visual ideas to life. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to chat.openai.com. Once there, log in with your credentials to access the AI's powerful features. If you're not already registered, you might need to set up an account. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. With the page open and logged in, you'll see a chat box prominently displayed. This is where the magic happens. To get started, type out a clear request describing the image you want to create. Being descriptive is key here. Think of it as painting a picture with your words. This will help the AI to better understand your vision. For example, if you're hoping to create a serene evening scene, you might type something like, create a realistic picture of a sunset over the Eiffel Tower with soft clouds. Providing a clear and vivid description is crucial in achieving the best results. Let's dive deeper into how to make those descriptions even more effective. It's helpful to be specific about three main aspects: the subject, style, and details. For the subject, identify what the main focus of the image should be. This could be anything from a landmark like the Eiffel Tower to a cute puppy or majestic mountains. The subject sets the foundation for your entire visual. Next, consider the style. Do you want your image to look realistic, resemble a cartoon, or perhaps emulate a watercolor painting? Specifying the style will help tailor the image to your artistic preferences and ensure it captures the mood you're aiming for. Then, add in some details. Think about the colors, mood, and any background elements that should be included. Maybe you want warm, inviting colors for a sunset, or a moody, mysterious palette for a foggy forest. Details like these help add depth and interest to your creation. If the size of the image is important to you, this is also where you'll want to note that. For instance, you might specify a size such as 1024 by 1024 pixels, which is great for most online uses. When you're happy with your request, either press Enter on your keyboard or click the Send button. Now, give ChatGPT a moment to work its magic. Once the preview of your image is generated, you can click on the image to view it in full size, admiring the detail that has been rendered from your description. The final step, of course, is to download your masterpiece. Simply click the download icon to save the image to your device.